Okay guys, meron nga pala ako ngayon na DIY pag-replacement ng ating doorknob. Ito, doorknob to ng aking kaibigan na foreigner. She's confused about his door is broken. Madali lang ang pagpapalit nito. Ayan, ito yung sira, ito yung bago. Simple lang. So, ito, nakalagay dyan yan. Yan. Gawan. Yan. Sa pagpapalit nito guys, yan. So, pag binili mo ito ng bago, nakakabit ka ganyan. Ayan. So, yan, ganyan yan pagka binili mo siya ng bago, no? So, ang pag-aalis lang yan, nakita mo ito, yan. So, sundutin mo lang yan para ito lumabas doon. So, ito mangyayari. Yan. Remove that. One. See? And babalik na natin dito. Huh? It's hard? No, I'm just videoing it and make it upload. You know the DIY fixing thing.
Do it yourself?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. Sometimes that's my idea. So, gonna show you guys how to fix the door, the broken knob. So, yan. Papasok mo lang to na ganyan. Tapos, yun. Sasakto mo lang yun, yung butas na yun. Yun, yung gumagalaw-galaw-galaw na yun. Is it okay for you, Kai?
Absolutely.
Yo. Yeah. So, it's my friend Kai helping me. And now, you see this double lock here? You're gonna remove this. Yan, napapa-English na tayo, ha? Kasi I have a foreign friend. Huh? See, you're gonna put here, and there's a 2 screw. Gonna put there to tighten, para higpitan yung ating bolt and nut. So we're going to use the screw. That's what. Ipitan nyo lang siya. Tighten. 1. Then this one under. 2. I don't have a power tool or special tool. Just all I need is a Phillips screw. Tighten too much. See? The door is functioning. Wala. Now, lalagyan na natin itong cover na to. But before that, we're gonna tighten at least not so very tighten. Just like that. There. Gonna put this. Relax, and roll it. See there, it's locked, and you put this knob. That one. Go outside. That one. Lock the door. Hold the key. It's locked. See? It's strong now. See that? And you got the door. I'm gonna resolve that. The problem now is your door hinge. that. One. Okay. Yun ang i-resolve natin issue ngayon. Dahil itong pinto, ayan yung markings ng kanyang gas-gas.